Is your business ready for 2030? If you're still relying on outdated processes, the answer is probably no. In this video, I'll reveal practical, actionable strategies for integrating automation and AI, ensuring your business doesn't just survive, but thrives in the rapidly evolving market. Now imagine a future where your business runs itself, intelligently adapting to every market shift. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. By strategically implementing AI and automation, you can future-proof your operations and gain an unfair advantage over your competitors. The future of business is already being written by those who understand how to harness technology, data, and innovation. So today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step roadmap to build an automated, AI-powered business for 2026 and beyond. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Number 1. The ticking clock. Why AI and automation are no longer optional. The world is moving faster than ever before. From predictive algorithms to robotic process automation, the digital revolution isn't coming, it's here. AI is no longer a niche experiment reserved for big corporations. It's a core business driver reshaping industries, disrupting traditional models, and redefining what efficiency looks like. Let's look at a few real-world shifts. In logistics, companies like UPS use AI to optimize delivery routes, saving millions in fuel costs each year. In retail, Amazon leverages predictive analytics to forecast demand, restocking warehouses before customers even click Add to Cart. Even small businesses are deploying AI chatbots and virtual assistants to handle thousands of customer interactions every day. The message is clear. Businesses that fail to adopt automation are falling behind fast. The cost of inaction is no longer theoretical. If your competitors are automating workflows and using AI to make decisions faster and smarter, you're not just losing efficiency, you're losing market share. So the question isn't, should I use AI? It's, how fast can I integrate it into every level of my business? 2. Unlocking efficiency. Identify your automation sweet spots. The first step toward automation isn't about fancy software, it's about understanding your workflow. Map your business processes from end to end. Ask yourself, where do delays happen? Which tasks repeat every day, week, or month? What activities are essential but don't directly create value? These are your automation sweet spots. Start small, with tasks that deliver quick wins. Customer service. Use AI chatbots or tools like Zendesk AI or Intercom to handle FAQs and support tickets automatically. Marketing. Tools like HubSpot AI, Jasper, or Copy.ai can write social posts, emails, and add copy, freeing your team to focus on strategy. Operations. Use Zapier, Make, Integromat, or Airtable automations to connect apps and eliminate manual data entry. Every task you automate gives you back time, energy, and focus, the 3 most valuable business resources. Once you start seeing results, scale smart. Prioritize automations with the highest ROI, those that directly save labor costs, reduce error rates, or accelerate decision-making. Think of automation not as replacing people, but as amplifying their capabilities. 3. AI beyond repetition. Strategic applications for growth. Automation isn't just about efficiency, it's about intelligence. AI gives you the power to predict, personalize, and innovate like never before. Predictive analytics allows you to anticipate customer behavior and market trends before they happen. Retailers use AI to forecast seasonal demand. Financial firms use it to spot risks early. Even small e-commerce brands use it to time product launches perfectly. Next comes personalization. In 2026, one-size-fits-all marketing is dead. AI tools can analyze user data in real time, creating personalized offers, product recommendations, and even pricing strategies tailored to individual customers. And then there's innovation acceleration. AI can assist in brainstorming, prototyping, and testing ideas at lightning speed. Imagine using ChatGPT, Claude, or Notion AI to generate product concepts, write ad scripts, or refine your sales funnel instantly. By using AI as a strategic partner, you're not just automating tasks, you're evolving your business model around intelligence and agility. 4. Building your future-proof team, skills and culture for the AI era. Here's the truth. AI won't replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't. That's why building a future-proof team starts with upskilling. Every team member, from marketing to management, should understand how to use AI tools and interpret data-driven insights. Consider offering AI literacy workshops or encouraging employees to experiment with no-code tools and automation software. Next, cultivate a culture of experimentation. Give your team the freedom to test, fail, and learn quickly. The companies that win in 2026 will be those that adapt the fastest. Finally, embrace human-AI collaboration. Let machines handle data-heavy tasks so your people can focus on creativity, emotional intelligence, and relationship building. That synergy between human creativity and machine precision is the ultimate competitive edge. 5. Your next steps. A practical roadmap for implementation. So, how do you put all this into action? Here's your roadmap. Step 1. Start small, think big. Pick one workflow, like customer onboarding or email marketing, and automate it. Gather data, refine the process, then expand. Step 2. Choose the right tools and partners. There are hundreds of AI vendors out there. Start with platforms that integrate easily with your current systems. Look for scalability and security. Step 3. Measure what matters. Set clear KPIs, time saved, conversion rates, customer satisfaction, and review them regularly. AI success isn't a one-time win. It's a cycle of continuous improvement. And if you're building a new company or restructuring your business to support your automation goals, you'll need the right foundation. That's where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. They help entrepreneurs form LLCs, manage compliance, and protect their privacy so you can focus on growing your business, not chasing paperwork. Check out the link in the description to get started with them today. AI and automation aren't distant technologies. They're today's competitive necessities. The businesses that start integrating them now will dominate in 2026, 2030, and beyond. Remember, the goal isn't to replace people, it's to empower them. Automate what slows you down, amplify what drives growth, and prepare your business for the next wave of innovation. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the AI tool or automation you're most excited to try. Because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.